Come on, buddy.
You can do it, guy.
Yeah.
Owen, where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? There it is. Hey, Owen, look at this. Come get it. Yeah, you're doing it, dude. You're doing it. Yeah. Okay, let's go over here. Come on, you can do it. Ooh, wipe out. Ooh, hey, that worked. That worked. I'd run with it. Make it like you pretend you meant to do that. Huh.
Yeah.
When in doubt, just play it off. Like, yeah, watch this move. There you go. Oh, that's good. Ooh, wipe out. There you go. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Here we go.
Watch out, if he goes backwards, he's gonna hit his head.
Mama's right.
Just give him his thing.
You probably want to cut tape.